sa pag-ibig, pamilya at relasyon. Halina't pag-usapan natin kasama si Brother June Banaag sa Catholic Mass Media Awards Hall of Fame for Best Counseling on Radio, Dr. Love Radio Show.
Dr. Love Radio Show. Talk about your problems and let me hear you out.
Dr. Love, ating pakinggan ang makulay na buhay kasaysayan ng ating mga tagapakinig. Brother June Banaag, OP. Dr. Love, the Love Clinic is open. Dr. Love Radio Show.
The more you worry, the more you hurry to the cemetery. God bless you, Mama Mary loves you, me too.
And what did Jesus say, Fatima?
Jesus said, be not afraid,
Yes.
I'm with you, I will not leave, but you fret and live life scared, and you grieve before you're dead. The more you worry, the more you hurry to the cemetery. God bless you, Mama Mary loves you, me too.
And what else did Jesus say, Fatima?
Jesus said, I will provide.
Yes.
I'm with you, I'm at your side.
That's right.
But you sigh and cry. Keep on asking why, oh why. The more you worry, the more you hurry to the cemetery. God bless you, Mama Mary loves you, me too.
Ano bang sabi ni Jesus, Fatima?
Jesus said, do not be sad,
right.
I'm with you, do not feel bad. But you doubt and you are mad, and you even question God. The more you worry, the more you hurry to the cemetery. God bless you, Mama Mary loves you, me too. God bless you, Mama Mary loves you, me too.
You're listening to Dr. Love Radio Show with June Banaag.
Kay tagal nang may crush sa'yo, pero suntok sa buwan ang wish na to. Pag natisod ka at nasa loob kita, hindi magtatagal ay tayo na. Oh, Dr. Love,